Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how Etsy sellers create those clean, professional product images that instantly grab attention, today you're going to learn exactly how to do it using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll have a finished mockup you can use to showcase your products and boost your Etsy sales in 2025, even if you're brand new to design. Let's dive in. Start by heading over to Canva in your browser. If you've never used it before, don't worry. It's beginner friendly and completely free to sign up. Once you're in, look for the Create button at the top right. Give it a click, and instead of choosing a preset template, we're going to set our own dimensions. Select Custom Size and enter 100 by 100 pixels. It's a simple square layout that keeps everything easy to manage, especially when you're experimenting with ideas. Hit Create New Design, and Canva will open up a blank workspace ready for you. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel filled with features, but the one we want right now is the Elements tab. This is where the magic happens. In the search bar, type in keywords related to your product, like frame mockup, shirt mockup, or anything that matches what you sell. Take your time scrolling through the options. Choosing the right mockup is worth it because this is the first thing shoppers will see when your listing appears on Etsy. Once you've found one you like, drag it onto your canvas. Now you can start shaping it into a design that represents your brand. Add graphics, simple borders, colored shapes, or subtle decorative elements to help your product stand out. If you're selling printable art, maybe add a soft drop shadow. If you're selling greeting cards, try a floral accent or textured background. Don't be afraid to play around. Change sizes, rotate elements, mix colors. Canva makes it super easy to experiment, and you can always undo anything you don't love. When your mockup looks polished and professional, it's time to save it. Go to the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. Choose the PNG format for a crisp, high-quality image that looks great on Etsy. Give it a moment to export, and then your mockup is ready to upload. Now hop over to your Etsy shop, open up your product listing, and upload that brand new mockup. A clean, eye-catching image can be the difference between someone scrolling past your listing and someone clicking Add to Cart. And that's it. You just created a custom Etsy mockup in Canva. If you found this helpful, tap the like button, share your questions or tips in the comments, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, happy creating, and I'll see you in the next one.